Good morning class. As you all know beta, in the previous video we have done our exercise 3.1 up to question number 5th. Today we will do the remaining question. Okay. So the question number 6th is, without actual scaring find the value of given numbers. In this question we have to find the value beta, but we do not have to find the scare first. Okay. It means we have to use some identities. So A part is 36 square minus 35 square. We have to find this value beta, but we do not have to scare 36 and 35. Okay. Here we have to use a property, that is a square minus b square. This is equal to beta a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Okay. So what is a here? A is 36 and b is 35. So 36 square minus 35 square is equal to 36 plus 35 multiplied by 36 minus 35. So 36 plus 35 is equal to 71 and 36 minus 35 is equal to 1. So the answer is equal to 71. So this is the answer of your A part beta. Okay. The remaining part of this question are same like A part. Try to do them by yourself. Okay. Now we will move on the next question. To understand the next question, firstly we have to understand some property beta. So look at the properties. So the first is, if we have a natural number n, then beta there are two n numbers between square of n and n plus 1 square. For example, 2 is natural number and 3 is also natural number. Okay. If we have to find the numbers between 2 square and 3 square, if we have to find there how many numbers lying between 2 square and 3 square, then what we have to do? We have to make just twice of smaller number, and that is n. 2 into 2 and that is 4. It means beta there are 4 number lies between 2 square and 3 square. Okay. So look at here, square of 2 is 4 and square of 3 is 9. So 5, 6, 7, 8. How many are these? 4. So how many number are lying between 4 and 9 is 4. Clear? This is the property. Now move on the next property. Square of any natural number n is equal to the sum of first n odd number. Look at the example beta. If you have to write the square of a number like 4, then you have to write this as the sum of first 4 odd number, and you know that first 4 odd number are 1, 3, 5 and 7. Now add them. Addition of 1, 3, 5 and 7 is 16, and also we know that the square of 4 is also 16. So this is verified that we can write square of any natural number as the sum of first n natural number. If we have to write the square of 5, then we have to write the sum of first 5 odd number, and if we have to write the sum of square of 10, then we have to write the sum of first 10 odd natural numbers. Okay. So now we will do our next questions. So the question number 7th, how many number lies between the square of the following number? Okay beta, here we have 5 and 6 in the A part, and we have to find the number lying between square of 5 and square of 6. Okay. So what we have beta, this is our n and this is our n plus 1, and we know that number lies between n square and n plus 1 square is equal to twice of n, and this is equal to 2 multiplied by 5 and that is equal to 10. So the answer of question number 7th A part is 10. In the same manner B part we have 18 and 19. So answer is 2 multiplied by 18 and that is 36. Okay, that is 36. So there are 36 number between 18 square and 19 square. So this is the solution of your 7th question. Try to do the C part of 7th question by yourself beta. Now move on the question number 8th. So what is the question number 8th? Find the sum of the following without any actual addition. We do not have to add, we have to use the property of square of number. In the A part, what we have? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. To solve this question, firstly we have to count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many numbers are these? 5, and all are odd. Okay, these are the first 5 odd natural number, and we know that the square of natural number can be written as the sum of first and odd natural number. So how many these are? 5. So their sum should be equal to square of 5. So the sum is 25. So the answer of A part of 8th question is 25. Now in the same manner, B part. Count the numbers given in the B part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. How many odd number are given? 8. So the sum is equal to square of 8. So the sum of B part is 64. This is the solution. In the same manner, try to do the C part beta. Okay. So this is the solution of your 8th question. Now move on the question number 9th. So 9th question beta. Express the following as the sum of consecutive odd numbers starting with 1. 9th question is the reverse of 8th question beta. Okay. In this question we have given the sum and we have to express the sum into sum of odd numbers. Okay. So the A part, 64. As you know, 64 can be written as square of 8, and we know that square of any natural number can be represented as the sum of first and natural number. So we have how many numbers? 8. So 8 square is equal to sum of first 8 odd natural number. So 1, 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 and plus 15. These are the first 8 odd natural number, and the square of 8 is equal to this. So this is the solution of A part. In the same manner, you have to do B part. In B part, you have to write first 10 natural number, and in C part, you have to write the sum of first 13 odd natural number, and B part you have to write the sum of first 10 odd natural number. Okay. Now we will move on the next question. Look at this question beta. Observe the pattern and filling the blanks. Firstly we have to observe the pattern and then we have to filling the blanks. Okay. So what is the pattern here? In A part, 9 square is equal to 81, 99 square is equal to 9801, and 999 square is equal to 998001. Okay beta. So look at here. Here we have 19, so we have write 8 and 1. Here we have 29, so we have write 1918 and 01. Here we have 39, we have write 291820 and 1. To solve this kind of question beta, what we have to do? Firstly we have to count the number of 9 given in the number. Okay. So look at this part. How many 9 are given? 5. 5 9 are given. So firstly you have to write 4 9 in the answer. Okay. Then you have to write 1 8. After that you have to put as many 0 as you have written 9. How many 9s are there? 4. So write here 4 0. Okay. After that put 1 here. So this is the square of 99999. Okay. So this is the answer, and this is the pattern how you have to filling the blanks. Okay. So in the next one, how many 9 are given? 6. If 6 9 are given, then write 5 9 firstly, and then 1 8, and then 5 0, and then 1. So this is the answer of your next filling the blanks. In the same manner you have to fill the A part. Now we will move on the B part. In the B part we have given 1 3 square is equal to 169 and 1 0 3 square is equal to 10609. Okay. In this question we have to count the number of 0 given between 1 and 3 beta. What we have to count? We have to count number of 0 given between 1 and 3. For example, if there is 1 0, then you have to put 1 0 between 1 6 9. Okay. And if we have given 2 0, then we have to put 2 2 0 between 1 and 6 and 6 and 9. And if we have given here 3 0 between 1 and 3, then we have to put 3 3 0 in between 1 6 and 6 9. If we have given 4, then you have to write 4 0 in between 1 and 6 and 6 and 9. In this manner you have to fill the B part. So this is the solution of your 10th question. I hope you will get it. If you have any doubt, we will take that doubt in the online class. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.